Welcome to Best Useful Tips. Here I will show you how to push updates in Windows 10 PC or laptop devices. By default, Windows 10 automatically update apps and any other system update on your PC or laptop devices. If you don't want to automatically update your PC, here is the steps to push update on Windows 10. Tap on a start button on your Windows 10. Tap settings. Here you can see Windows settings. Tap on updates and security. In Windows update, here you can check for updates. To tap on here, tap on advanced option to change automatic update setting. Here you can see push updates. By default, disable this. When you turn on push updates, a temporary push update for being installed on your device up to 35 days. An update resume, this device will need to latest update. Turn on it to turn off automatically update on Windows 10 devices. That's it. I hope this tutorial helpful to turn off automatically update. Please like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe.